Ladies, imagine transforming your style and exuding sophistication with just $50. I'm excited to share some chic outfit ideas that will give you that high-end look without stretching your budget. Let's dive in and discover how to shine effortlessly. For this first outfit idea, I want you to imagine slipping into a pleated midi skirt paired with a waffle knit top in the same beautiful color. This monochromatic magic instantly exudes an air of sophisticated elegance. By sticking to a single color tone, you've eliminated any visual clutter, letting the textures and silhouettes take center stage. My dear, the structured pleats of the skirt and the cozy, textured waffle knit of the blouse create a delightful interplay that feels both thoughtfully curated and luxurious. This subtle combination not only adds depth to your outfit, but also makes it look effortlessly chic and high-end. Ladies, I've pinned a link in the comments where you can find all these stunning outfits. Feel free to explore and find your new favorites. Ladies, this combination isn't just chic, it's the epitome of sophistication and luxury. The pleats of the skirt and the tailored fit of the vest work together beautifully, accentuating your shape in a way that's both flattering and refined. It's like a gentle hug for your silhouette, creating a polished and put-together look that effortlessly whispers high-end fashion. With this ensemble, you'll radiate elegance and grace, feeling both visually stunning and beautifully composed. Now I want you to imagine stepping out in this outfit. This combination not only exudes sophistication, but also beautifully highlights your shape, giving the impression of custom-made clothing. You can style this outfit in two fabulous ways. 1. Go for a chic monochrome look for an effortlessly polished vibe. Or 2. Make the blazer your statement piece to truly stand out. Next, imagine yourself stepping into a room in a black pleated high-waist midi skirt paired with a lightweight black turtleneck. The simplicity of this combination doesn't just whisper elegance, it sings it. The monochrome palette is like a subtle nod to refined sophistication, while the pleats add just the right touch of grace and structure. The high-waist design works wonders to elongate your figure, and the turtleneck? It's the epitome of classic chic. When you put it all together, you create an effortlessly polished and luxurious look that's bound to turn heads and leave a lasting impression. Ladies, this high-waisted, pleated midi skirt is a stunning choice, creating a gracefully refined silhouette that beautifully complements your figure. Pairing it with the vest waistcoat adds a touch of structure and sharpness, giving your outfit an impeccable, polished look. Both pieces highlight tailored lines and a well-fitted style, making for an ensemble that's both elegant and striking. Also, black and white together are like the ultimate style duo, always chic and sophisticated. Throwing a coat over your shoulders? That's the secret to looking effortlessly elegant. It's a clever touch that says you're both relaxed and refined. Ladies, when you choose an all-white outfit, you're embracing a look that's both classic and sophisticated. The clean, seamless blend of white on white speaks to a refined sense of luxury, where quality shines through without needing extra embellishment. It's a statement of elegance and effortless style that truly lets your natural grace take center stage. And for this outfit, the blue statement blazer brings a vibrant pop of color, perfectly contrasting with your white skirt. This bold choice radiates confidence and an impeccable fashion sense. The pleats of your skirt and the intricate details of your blazer showcase a keen eye for detail, often associated with high-quality clothing. Together, this combination strikes a beautiful balance between simplicity and statement, leaving you looking effortlessly polished. Picture yourself in a chic white skirt, effortlessly paired with a black blazer draped over your shoulder. It's a look that combines classic elegance with a modern twist, giving you an air of sophistication and effortless style. The simplicity of this outfit, free from excessive embellishments, highlights quality fabrics and clean lines, often associated with luxury fashion. My dear, You're going to look absolutely stunning in an all-white ensemble. Pairing a crisp white skirt with a white tee and a white blazer creates a look that's both simple and striking. The monochromatic palette gives off a polished, effortlessly chic vibe, making you appear sophisticated and fashion-forward. You'll be radiating confidence and elegance with this choice. Ladies, I have a quick question for you. Have you found your personal style yet? If so, would you describe it as bold or more understated? Ladies, remember these versatile pieces? Let's explore how to style them into different outfits while maintaining a classy look. For this waffle top, pair it with matching bottoms for a chic monochromatic look. This neutral tone monochrome look is such an elegant choice that instantly makes you look polished and expensive. Also, ladies, you can pair it with darker bottoms, such as dark blue or black jeans. For this white button-down shirt, you can unbutton the top 3 buttons and do a front tuck to give off a relaxed yet polished look. Or you can button it up completely and do a front tuck. This look exudes a polished and sophisticated style, blending a classic, clean appearance with a touch of modern chic. Or layer the white button-down shirt for added style. This look often conveys a sense of polished casualness, perfect for casual outings. Ladies, remember that whatever you choose to wear, the key ingredient is confidence. Whether you're layering a white button-down shirt or rocking a bold outfit, it's your self-assurance that truly makes the look shine. Wear your style with pride, and you'll always exude elegance and charm. Remember to always love yourselves unconditionally. Never let money or anyone dictate your worth or the joy you deserve. Embrace your unique beauty and style with confidence, and know that you are amazing just as you are. Your happiness and self-love are the most precious things you can wear every day. So, as our journey through the world of fashion, beauty, and grace comes to a pause today, I invite you to like and subscribe so we may continue to walk this elegant path together. Until we meet again in the next video, stay radiant, stay elegant, and let your inner light shine brightly.